myself. So I'll just yes. So this has been my first webinar or online learning experience, and when Mandira ma'am initially told me about it, I was honestly very skeptical about it because I had already attended 1 week of the in-class session at ACT, and I didn't know. Although that was like a lot of fun, I didn't know how this was going to be. So I wasn't very sure, but I must say that I'm really happy after 3 weeks, and I didn't know all the activities and everything that we did in the last 3 weeks. There was a possibility for this to be done online, and it didn't really feel like we were studying online because be it creating WhatsApp groups and doing fun games and activities or the assignments later, I am really happy with it, and I think I learned everything that I would have, if I would have been in the in-class setup. And I must say, all of you have been really supportive, and be it on the group or on the email, whatever questions we've asked on the chat group, we've been spamming the chat group and the chat beside our class all the time, and it was really great fun. Had a really good time. Yeah, thank you so much, all of
Thank you,
you.
Lakshmi. Can we have Jayesh?
Hello.
Hi, Jayesh.
Hi, ma'am.
I think when one person is speaking, if all could just mute so there's no disturbance. So let's all mute our audio when one person is speaking.
So yeah, this was my first webinar session, and I never knew online learning could be so much fun. I always preferred in-class learning, but this turned out to be a very good and interesting session for me. And the last 15 days went just like, I don't know, just a matter of one day out. I don't know, the classes went so fast. I'll be missing this a lot. I learned a lot. Yeah, so that was all. Thank you so much.
That's very good, Jayesh. Very good, very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Next, can we have Monica?
First of all, hi everybody. It's happy to see each one of you here. And about the learning experience, I thoroughly enjoyed it. It was so much fun creating something, drawing, which I'm not good at, but still trying to draw, post it on WhatsApp. It was really fun. And the trainers, all of you, Namika ma'am, Ruchi ma'am, Naomi ma'am, Ashika ma'am, each one of you, Rashmi ma'am, always so good, interactive, and whatever questions we had, you without any problem, you answered to us, and you are so patient. And we learned a lot from you all trainers to be patient in class and how to manage students. And most of all, I've never attended a webinar session like this. This was a wonderful experience, and hope to be happy to be part of ACT family and happy to be with you all. Met so many good people. Deeksha is so creative, learned from her. Lakshmi Madhu draws so much. And Sanat is so thoughtful. Each one of you had something to learn, and I'm very happy to be part of this webinar.
That's so nice, Monica.
Very nice, Monica. Thank you so much for all your sweet words.
Next,
Actually,
can we
you all are sweet.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Next, can we have Jesslyn?
So, hi everyone. This is my first webinar experience, and I would say I came to know about ACT while surfing the net, and this was way back in January end. And I had applied for an in-class program, and suddenly we had this lockdown thing happened, and I got a call from my assistant. Her name is Pihu. She's from ACT Mumbai, and she told me that, you know what, would you mind joining an in-class program via webinar? And I was like quite hesitant thinking that, how is it gonna work? I mean, having a in-class experience would be way different from having a webinar-based experience. And she's like, don't worry, just apply to it. Just don't think too much about it, but just go ahead with it. It's gonna be a good experience. And I must say she was actually right, because in these 3 weeks, I learned a lot about myself. I learned a lot about the techniques that have to be adopted as far as teaching is concerned. And I must say, gosh, man, I mean, I've had taught in 2-3 colleges before in Mumbai, and after going through all these methodologies, I feel that, I hope my students might not be cursing me because I did not adopt any of these techniques when I was teaching there. So I hope that those students wouldn't be cursing me at that point of time, but hopefully I will definitely improve on my teaching skills in future. So a very big thank you to all the coordinators, to all the teachers. We had a great time, and I had made quite a few friends over here. So yeah, hopefully we will remain friends for a really long time. Thank you so much to all of you.
That's really nice, Jesslyn. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'm sure you can use all that we taught in your, upcoming classes, because there are so many new techniques that, you get to learn, which you also didn't know that you could do it in this way. So good job. Very good.
And a very big thank you to Ruchi ma'am also, because she was the one who corrected all my assignments and all. And so thank you, Ruchi ma'am. Thank you, Naomi ma'am. And thank you, Namika ma'am also.
Thank you so much. Ruchi ma'am is smiling. Ruchi ma'am.
Most welcome, Jesslyn. I was very happy to correct all the assignments that I have got. You can see that from the comments that I have written. So yeah, thank you so much.
That's very encouraging when you all you share your experience, and it's such a positive vibes you bring in. So it's really encouraging for all of us also. Thank you, Justin. Very nice. Next, can we go to Sanat?
Yes. Hello, everyone. Yeah, this has been I'll say my first webinar based experience, although I have had an experience of learning something online, but this was way more structured than anything that I've attended in the past. Whatever I want to say has been pretty much covered by everyone before me, but I just found myself to have a place in this group. I really loved each and everyone whom I interacted with, be it the trainers, be with my peers whom I was learning with, and I was like everyone. I was very skeptical about webinar-based learning, and I was not really sure if I could grasp it. Uh, but I now for sure know that this is a viable option going into the future, and I really am thankful to act for this. And yeah, I just hope that everyone just stays connected, stays in touch.
Thank you, Sanat. I'm sure you have really been making everybody laugh with your funny comments. That has been really, yes, like what Lakshmi is saying, you've been an entertainer. So that's really sweet. Probably we can move to, Anamika ma'am, we can move to Muskan.
Yes. Where is Muskan?
Muskan.
Yeah.
Yes. Hello, everyone. Hi,
Muskan. Hi, Muskan.
Hi, ma'am. This is the first time I have done this webinar thing. I've never actually learned anything on the internet. I don't like learning on the internet. This was a very hard decision for me to make. So I would like to say, ma'am, you all were very great, and I have learned a lot from you. Being a fresher, I don't know anything about teaching, but I've learned a lot from you. So thank you.
I think her network.
Yes.
But I believe she's saying thank you to everybody.
Yes. And she enjoyed her first webinar session experience.
Yes, she did. Okay, let's move to Orion. If you can just unmute, yeah.
So this was my first webinar session I ever attended. I was very scared that I will not get the same experience that I opted for in class. So I was very doubtful on choosing this course. So, but then the course was very great, like very amazing. It showed me like you can incorporate activities online also. So it was a new thing to learn. I'm very thankful for the trainers and all my peers around over here that it was a very interactive session for me throughout the course.
That's
Thank you.
really nice. That's really nice. Thank you so much, Orion. We can move on to Sana.
Hello.
Yes, Sana.
Yeah, hi, ma'am. So it was my first webinar experience. I had never attended online learning before. And I had already enrolled in the in-class program and I attended classes for 4 days in March. And then the lockdown happened. So at first I was very apprehensive whether I should go for this webinar session or not, because I thought in-class interaction is, way more fun and maybe I will learn more there. But I was wrong. And I think I took a very good decision to do this webinar classes because before the classes started, my entire routine was disrupted. I couldn't sleep the whole night. The sleeping pattern was disturbed and everything. And but taking this decision, the decision to attend this class was a very productive use of the lockdown period, I think, and it actually improved my daily routine. My sleeping pattern has improved. I can sleep at night now and get up in the morning. So that's really wonderful, and I really hope that now the classes are over, I don't go back to that old pattern because that was really depressing. And I hadn't expected that online learning could be so much fun and interactive. And I mean, kudos to all the teachers who actually organized this webinar session in such a short span of time. I mean, it's wonderful how you all did that. So I would like to clap for all the teachers. And
Thank you so much.
So before I did this class, attending this class has actually made me realize what a terrible teacher I was. I'm an ICE trainer, and now I realize that I really need to improve myself and I need to be more empathetic towards my learners and be more patient and how to deal with students. So I've actually learned a lot from this webinar session, and I definitely make a short video and mail it to Mandira ma'am.
Good, Sana. Thank you so much. Yeah, I remember even when I was doing the TEFL, even I was thinking, all these last years that I've been a teacher, I've been doing everything wrong. So there's a lot of unlearning and learning as well.
Exactly, exactly, Naomi ma'am. TEFL is a lot about unlearning and then learning. If you can't empty your cups, we can't pour it in, because a lot of things is very diametrically opposite to the traditional method of teaching. So if the unlearning and learning has happened, I think somewhere we have struck the right chord with all of you. That's so nice. That's so nice. Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Ruchi ma'am, where's Ruchi ma'am?
She's here.
Yeah, Ruchi ma'am, you can take it forth from here.
Okay. So who's next? Let's hear it from Rajalakshmi. Has Rajalakshmi spoken? Rajalakshmi? Yes.
Hello.
Okay. Yes.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes, Rajalakshmi. Please go ahead.
Okay. This is my first webinar session, and as everybody said, I was also skeptical at the beginning, and I just barged into the class to say, I mean, I was the last person to be admitted, I guess, to get the admission. Aishwarya ma'am, she was the counselor who counseled me to join the course. And it was Kuhu ma'am and Mandira ma'am who helped me out the first day. I mean, I missed the first session, the 27th of April. I missed that session, and Kuhu ma'am helped me out. She just gave me she just gave me this gist of what happened the very first day, and I was able to do my assignment based on her. So thanks to Kuhu ma'am for that help, and Mandira ma'am who just gave me the recorded version of the class happening. So I had a live session. I didn't miss anything the first day, I felt. And a big round of applause to all the trainers. I mean, they taught me all the innovative methods to teach in an ESL classroom. And Anamika ma'am and Ashika ma'am, your voice is just mesmerizing. I don't know, like I can keep hearing your voice for hours together, the way you speak. And Naomi ma'am as well. Ruchi ma'am, thank you for your wonderful feedbacks, your constructive criticisms, as well as your appreciation. I mean, everything, I took it in the right sense, and I think I will take it forward and give my teach. I mean, my learners a good um, a good session like yours. Thank you very much.
That was wonderful, Rajlakshmi. Thank you so much for sharing your experience with us.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's hear it from Diksha. Diksha? Is Diksha? Yeah. Diksha, please unmute your audio and let us know what your experience has been like.
Hello everyone, this is Deeksha. I hope you all know that. But first of all, let's start with the sequence, because before I start thanking, they should know from where I have started this TEFL journey. My TEFL journey started on 2019 January when I got in contact with Sangita, that was my admission coordinator. And it took me 1 year, because I'm a very kind of person where I need to take a decision. I want all the pros and cons in my list so that I know what I'm doing. So it took 1 year. Every time I was calling her, Acha, if I do this, then what will happen? If I do this, then what will happen? If I do this. And she was patient the whole time. In January 2020, I again contacted her that now I'm final, that I have to do this. So, okay, she gave me the procedure, and she was more likely, you want to do it in class. And then again the problem started, whether I should go to Delhi or Calcutta. And she was the one to solve the thing that you should go for Acha, go for that, go for this, go for that. And by February, I was finalized that I'll be moving to Calcutta for my TEFL certification course. And then the teaching started. Now, I am an online teacher. Right now, my school is all spanned. Since I have resigned also, but they need a teacher, so I'm online teaching. But while I'm teaching in the class, though I'm adopting the method that's being taught over here, but on online, I was not able to do so. Because they were more like, how should I be more innovative while seeing the classes, by being in the class, through attending the webinars, and seeing the trainers, how they are using their creativity, the knowledge and everything into making that lesson plan more innovative. I was able to do so on my online teaching, and that improved a lot. So thank you everyone, thank you all the trainers, and thank you everyone, and thank you this ACT family that helped me throughout. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Diksha. That was a very nice account of your experience with us. Let's move to, let's hear it from Loveleen. Loveleen, are you there? Yes. Please unmute your audio, Loveleen.
Unmute?
Yes. Please go ahead, Loveleen.
Initially, when I was thinking of joining the TEFL, I was very much hesitated because online classes, I have not heard earlier about it, and it was very difficult for me to learn online, as I was feeling that in class teaching is much better than the online class. How teachers will make us understand the concepts and everything online, but thank God that I got the best teachers and trainers, and I thank Naomi ma'am, Anamika ma'am, Aditi ma'am. All the trainers are very good. They make us understand very easily. The teaching methods are so good. I hope they will help me in the future also. And in such a quarantine time, I don't know how the time has passed, these 15-20 days. That's it. I just want to say all this.
Thank you, Loveleen. This batch has been a great opportunity for us also during this quarantine time, this lockdown, not quarantine exactly, but yeah. Okay, let's hear it from Anshika.
Hello everyone. Okay, so first of all, I feel really grateful for being able to sit here and share my experience today. And yes, this is my first webinar experience for long 3 weeks now, and especially because of the COVID situation. But it has been a really great journey. I would like to thank all of you teachers who have been so supportive, and like getting up and hearing your voices really made my day, because it has been depressing so far because of the situation of lockdown. But yes, the teaching was fun, learning was really intellectual, I would say, and it has actually prepared us to, even if the situation continues, we know the methods, we know how to deal with it and how to take up classes. So it has been really nice, and thank you all.
Yes, Anshika, I would like to share here. I think if there is one thing we have learned from this lockdown, apart from other things, life can go on, you know, and the webinar sessions have been a real blessing. Learning need not stop. So this is, I think, one big takeaway from this period, that learning need not stop. We can. So if your friends, if your connections, acquaintances, if they are thinking that because of this lockdown, because of the situation, they will not be able to pursue learning, then please share your experience with them. Do definitely share your experience with them. That will help more people to feel confident to approach a webinar session. Right? Yeah.
Yes, thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Thank you, Anamika ma'am, for sharing that. Let's move to Sejal. Sejal, can we hear from you about your experience?
Sejal is busy folding clothes, I think.
Yeah, I can see that.
Sejal forgot the videos on.
No, I'm sorry. Yeah, hi. First of all, I 1 minute. Gia, 2 minutes. Don't talk. Gia. Last year, I enrolled for a online TEFL class. It was in 2019, but due to some situations, my personal problems and my job clashes, I couldn't do that. So I re-enrolled for the in-class program, but it was written as an online program only, so I had to continue with that only. So yeah, the experience was amazing. This is my first webinar session what I have attended. After this, like, you know, in this 15 days, our school also launched many webinar for training us for the online classes. So yeah, I really had fun, good time. One thing what I enjoyed was the musical session. What I think Ruchi ma'am or Naomi ma'am, they conducted some musical notes and we had to express our feelings.
It was Aditi ma'am, I think. It was
yeah,
Aditi.
I don't remember. I'm very sorry with that. So, but I really enjoyed that session. Everything was amazing. Assignments were also very good. Overall, it was a complete package, and nothing more to add to it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sejal. It was great. Okay, let's go to Komal now. Komal, can we hear from you, please?
Yeah, hi everyone. So it was my first webinar experience, and I'm from a completely different right. I'm a fresher to teaching right now. So for me, whatever my teacher did in class was the only thing that I saw regarding teaching. So this was completely different from that, and I'm glad that I opted this course and I did it, because that teaching method, and now it won't work. So we need to apply these methods that we learn here. So I'm glad that I opted it. And making this webinar work, I think it was, for all of us, it was new, even for the teachers that were teaching us. So you made it work. So thank you so much to all of the trainers that took the initiative to teach us online. And that's all. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Komal. Anuja, are you there? Let's hear it from Anuja. Hi, Anuja.
Hi, ma'am.
Okay. I would like to appreciate the good work all the trainers, all the coordinators, my peers, and everyone did. I would also like to appreciate Shaunak sir for taking the placement webinar. I think the experience was so good that I would actually look forward to the days when we had the webinars. So I would wake up early. I would be ready. Okay, today I will have a webinar session. What does other people have to say and everything? For the last few webinars, I think I was the first, and I would be like, "Good morning, everyone. Is anyone here?" and everything. So I was really looking forward to all the webinars. I could understand that how even, if we are taking webinars, how we can make it interactive other than the lesson planning and everything. We really got to learn that from the trainers firsthand. Thank you so much for everything, and all the very best to ACT, to all the my friends and yeah. So I'm really grateful. Thank you very much. And I would really look forward to, in the future, if I have to do any course and everything, I would really look forward to, to do it with Asian College of Teachers.
Oh, we
Yes.
would look forward to that as well. We would be
Um,
waiting for you.
Actually, yeah, we have a lot of other courses as well, which you can actually, take it and, upgrade yourself. Because like Anamika ma'am said, learning should never stop. See, now we don't know when the lockdown is going to end.
Yes.
Although it might say another 15 days, another this thing, now they're saying lockdown 4, it can be lockdown 6, 7, you never know. So at least we can utilize that time in upgrading ourselves, You never know when what can happen, or when that course that you've done, or when that certificate can come in use.
And see, it's a circle, and it's just not you're upgrading your skills. Since the situation is like this, people are waking up to the possibility that webinar is here to stay. So you will also be teaching through webinars. Who knows? Just like somebody said over here that I have started teaching online, though I have resigned. So I think Diksha said that. So yeah, whatever you are, don't think that you're just upgrading your skills. Yes, you are upgrading your skills, but you're also utilizing it by conducting a webinar yourself.
Yes.
So
thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, right.
Have we heard from Janet? Janet, have you spoken? Okay, go
Hi
ahead.
everyone. Yeah, as everybody was telling about their journeys, how they started, let me also tell how I started coming into TEFL, ACT for this TEFL course. It was way back during 2019. I contacted ACT for this TEFL TESOL course, but due to my circumstances, I couldn't join. Even this year, I wanted to join for the in-class, and then it got because of this lockdown, I was able to join this webinar course, and I'm really happy to see you all. And I'm very happy to get friends from all over India, from Mumbai, Punjab, Karnataka, and let me tell about myself. I'm here from Tamil Nadu, that is Chennai, and right now I'm at my hometown. So all these things happen, but still we are learning. Our learning process is not stopped. As ma'am said, learning is a continuous process. We can learn anytime in our lifetime. So regarding the training, the webinar sessions, I would like to tell that we have learned a lot, especially about the techniques, the training methods, how to teach in class, how to plan our class sessions, the lesson plan, and all these things, how to set a warmer context setting, how to go on with an interesting and entertaining class. The trainers in the webinar kept us engaged, and throughout the session we were so active, and that's how we should also take it forward to our classes, and that's a good learning point for me, and I will also implement in these techniques in my teaching as well. So it's nice seeing you all, and thank you so much, trainers. You gave us whatever is needed, more than needed. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Janet. It's amazing to see all your faces also. It's good to put faces to the names that we have known so far. Right? Okay, let's hear it from Akil. Is Akil there? I can't see Akil.
What about Sumed? Is he like, maybe the video is on, but is he there listening? Yeah, Sumed is there.
Sumed is here. Okay, Sumed.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, this was my first webinar session, and like it was really a good. Like I learned many new things. Yeah, all the teachers and my batchmates will be missed, and more like learning skills, like more teaching skills were taught, and it was really a nice experience. Thank you.
Very good, Sumit. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Akhil hasn't joined, is it? Or
he was having net connectivity from morning. A problem.
All right. Okay. So thank you for sharing your experience with us, and we appreciate your candor and the way you have put things through. Let's hear it from your trainers, what they have to say about you. Let's start with Anamika, ma'am.
The webinars, yeah, someone said it, are as much new to all of us as to you. Though we have been conducting a few webinar batch since the beginning of the lockdown. So we are getting used to all of it. But see, as I said, learning should never stop. It was a big batch, all of you, 18 people, 18 or 19, I guess. So we tried, and I think all of us, those who, the trainers, we put in our 100% to make sure that just because this is a webinar session and not an in-class, you miss out on anything. Trust me, you haven't missed out on an iota. You haven't missed out on an iota also. So this was as vibrant, as dynamic, and as fruitful as any in-class session that we conduct for TEFL. So trust me, you have not missed anything. I mean, there can be always something at the back of your mind. What if in class? You have done exceedingly well, all of you. The participation was great, let me tell you. From each one of you, the kind of responses you gave, the participation, which was really, really very good. We enjoyed teaching you as much as you enjoyed learning. And as I said, learning should never stop. You have learned through a webinar. Now go back and teach through webinar also. So let this just be there as a very viable platform to exchange knowledge. Okay, that's all I will say. All of you have been great. And thank you so much for being a lovely audience.
Thank you, Anamika, ma'am. That was lovely. Let's go to Ashika, ma'am. Ashika, ma'am, can we please hear from you?
Am I audible?
Yes,
and
you
I
are.
mean, I can, yeah, so. Yeah, you know, this is like one of the most awkward moments. So rather than me just, you know, saying all those nice phrases, I would really like to say how awkward I feel. You know, it's quite difficult to, you know, when you can't really look into the eyes of your learners, and you know, you just have to speak to a computer. It's extremely difficult as to, you know, you really can't expect anything. You can't really gauge participation when you have 19 students sitting in God knows if they're listening or not. You can't really gauge anything. So when I heard the number that it was going to be 19 students, it's like, okay, so if everything is unexpected, you really can't, you know, expect anything. So we just went with the flow. At least for me, I went with the flow. And your participation, your dedication, your punctuality, your punctuality with, you know, in terms of submitting assignments, everything has been extremely well organized. I would say, you know, you were self-organized, and it was extremely disciplined. And the truth is, I think trainers are all of us are enjoying webinars more than in class now. You know, this is like one of the best things that has happened to us during this quarantine time and lockdown as well. But having said that, it was extremely nice to meet all of you, and getting to interact with you all. It's so satisfying at the end of the day when you've received things that that we wanted to convey in the right manner. And yeah, that's it. I'm extremely awkward with the thank you speeches, so please forgive me and don't judge me. So thank you all, and do take care. And like Anamika ma'am mentioned, you can drop by at the center, wherever exactly you are located. You can feel free to drop down whenever things get back to normal, just in case if you have any query, you want to clarify anything. All of us will be available at the center for you. So it would also be nice to see your faces in real, if you are in, I think we have Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai. So you can drop down and show us your face in real whenever possible. So thank you, all of you. Thank you for being so nice and disciplined. Yeah, that's it from me.
Thank you, Ashika ma'am. That was lovely. Okay, let's move to Aditi ma'am. Aditi ma'am, we want to hear it from you. Hi.
Hi everyone. Good afternoon. Yeah, thank you, Ruchi ma'am. And yeah, I hope everybody is doing great. And it is great to see all of you in one screen. And yeah, and like Ruchi ma'am said, it is great to put faces to those names. However, I could see those profile pictures, the DPs that you call on WhatsApp, and yeah, you look almost the same. You look wonderful today. You look wonderful not because of how you look today, but who you evolved to be in these 3 weeks through this journey in TEFL. That is what makes you more wonderful. So what I want to say is welcome aboard. Thank you for joining my fraternity. And I must say that I feel proud that the future of this globe is in safe hands. We are about to, the world is going to be blessed with some wonderful teachers, amazing teachers and trainers. So congratulations. Well done, everyone. And yeah, so I would like to wish you all the best for all your future endeavors. And yeah, keep rocking. Yeah, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you for happening to us. We feel proud. We feel happy to have you all. It has been quite a journey. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Aditi
Ruchi
ma'am.
Thank you, Anamika ma'am.
Thank you, Aditi ma'am.
Okay, let's move to Maria ma'am. Maria ma'am, we want to hear from you.
Hi, can you all hear me?
Yes.
Yeah, so I think this has been a great batch, as the other trainers have already said. It's been a learning for us as well. And ever since the time quarantine has started, I think most of the teachers have started with, can you hear me? Can you see the screen? So I think that's been our, that's been a part of our vocabulary for as soon as we start the session. It's been great evaluating some of your assignments that you all have sent across. And it's really nice to see how innovative and how creative all of you have. Seen the pictures that you all have drawn, the things that you've written about, the music session that you had. So I think all of you are a very creative bunch. And now that you all have learned how to sit through a webinar, I'm sure you all can even take classes as well. So it's been a great experience, and all the best to each one of you. So as Ashika ma'am said, if any of you are in Chennai now, if any of you are in Bangalore, and once the lockdown is lifted, please feel free to come down to the ACT office, and yeah, we could catch up again. Okay, so all the best to each one of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Maria ma'am. Let's go to Naomi ma'am now.
Hi, everybody. I tried to get that thing removed. Okay, first of all, I must say congratulations to each one of you. You all have done brilliantly well. And all I can tell you is it's not over, it has just begun. Your journey has just begun. Don't think that, hello, Sanat, with such a big ma'am. Okay, your journey has just begun. You know, you might think the course is over and I'm done. No, you have not done. You are, your journey just begins. And I'm sure that as you go down, as you move ahead in your life, you're sure going to teach and touch lives. So all the best and congratulations to every one of you. Thank you.
Thank you, Naomi ma'am. Who else? Kuhu ma'am is here.
Ruchi ma'am, you can go next, no problem.
Okay. I don't know. I think so much has already been said about everything. I think all the trainers have covered everything that I would have wanted to say, but I'm still going to repeat a few things that they have said. First of all, congratulations, all of you. And thank you for being so supportive and participative, because the kind of results that we have got with this webinar wouldn't have been possible if you weren't as participative as you were. I agree that we have put in a lot of hard work, but the kind of hard work that you have put in, had you not matched to what we were doing, this wouldn't have been successful. So thank you so much for being patient, for being hardworking. All of that was reflective in the assignments that we were receiving, the regularity of the assignments that we were receiving in. And the progression of your work was so visible in the kind of assignments that we got. So at the beginning, the assignments were raw. And now when you have sent us the integrated assignments, they are so well done. So you see your progress yourself. Good job, all of you. And I am proud to be a part of this batch. And welcome to ACT, because you're here to be with us. So all the best for all your future endeavors. And as all the other trainers have said, please feel free to drop by anytime. We would be very happy to welcome you, and we would be very happy to answer any questions that you have. All right, that's it from me. Thank you so much, everyone.
I think Janet wanted to remove a screenshot, she said.
Yes.
So, yeah. So can all the trainers, all of y'all, whoever have, can you all just put your video? Everyone's getting ready for a screenshot.
You can also get ready with a patch, iPad.
No.
Please,
No,
with
it's
the
okay.
iPad. We can't see. Trust me, nothing can be seen, Naomi. It's fine.
No,
Naomi
it's
ma'am.
going. No.
Ma'am, it's fine.
No, thank you so much, Anamika ma'am, but I'm very happy with how I'm looking like this. I don't want to be termed as a trainer who's disguised in a pirate.
Pirate trainer.
Pirate trainer.
Okay.
So who is Sejal's videos off? Sejal. Sejal is still. I think Sejal is still folding clothes.
Janet wanted to take, or who wanted to take this picture? Even I got
Muskan,
the
you need
message.
to focus
The iPad, I think.
Yeah.
Our iPad.
Muskan is getting ready.
Can I take a picture as well?
Yes, you can, Aditi ma'am.
Yeah, please.
Okay, thank you so much.
Let Sejal come. Where's Sejal?
Okay, smile, people, smile.
Take good picture, Aditi ma'am.
Yes, of course.
I should have at least applied lips. I should have at least applied some lipstick.
That's okay. You look amazing.
Naomi ma'am, from now on you have to apply lipsticks at home, because outside you'll wear masks.
True.
Okay.
Anybody else? Yeah. Whoever you all have removed a screenshot. Okay, Janet is saying say cheese.
Cheese.
Is it done? I can't control my smile.
I have taken many.
Oh, my jaws hurt.
Oh, I think we have a page.
We can
2
all
as
do
well.
this.
Wait.
We can all do this, probably.
Okay.
Everybody thumbs up. Everybody thumbs up.
How do I do thumbs up with the phone in my hand?
It's somebody's rooming a screenshot, no? One hand phone, one hand thumbs up. Everyone thumbs up. Sejal.
Okay.
Put a timer.
Yeah. Good.
I'll also click one.
Okay. Ready? Everyone? Yes. Great. Great. I have page 1 as well. Please wait, everybody. Some people were missing in the previous picture. Yes. Okay. Thumbs up.